Hello and welcome to my model railroad. Today I want to talk about track bumpers, or in this case, lack of them. I went on Thingiverse and I found a really interesting printer file for a rather nice track bumper. And here it is right here. Looks somewhat American, although I think the design is more European. But it prints rather easily, and with a little bit of paint and some weathering, it doesn't look too bad at all. My only issue that I have with this thing is the fact that it's a little on the low side here. But I can always make a modification to the bumper on the pins that mount it and lower it down a little bit. Anyway, let me show you how this thing's put together. Alright, so let me show you a little bit about these buffers. Normally, 3D printed plastic is kind of plain, so you're going to need to paint it and weather it so you get something a little like this. It's also been washed with rusty paint here just to make it look a little bit more realistic. That's automotive primer used as a base. This thing comes apart, of course, and it makes it easier to install it. Now, in order to get it on the LGB track, this is an old piece from another area. You're going to need to pull off whatever rail joint you might have in the end. Okay. The first thing we're going to put on is this piece here. I want to double check to make sure I'm doing it right. I tend to do this incorrectly. You want the lump here on the inside. And by the way, I'll leave a link in the description so that you can go to Thingiverse and download one of these for yourself if you have a 3D printer or know somebody with one. Now we just take the other one. And you can see this is a pretty tight fit. If you had a rail joiner here, it isn't going anywhere. Okay, once you get that, you take your bumper piece here and it slips in like this. It makes a fairly solid, nice looking bumper. It's not going anywhere. Vehicles can whack it and it isn't going to move. Well, there you have it. I'll keep trying to get more videos in as we go, but for now, happy model railroading, and I will catch you again.